Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kool Zone. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there in the world. Today we are going to make a special waffle. We are going to make a bourbon waffle. Yes. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. So all the fathers out there that want to do something special for themselves or want someone else to make something special for them, this video is for you. Stay tuned. And here we just got the standard batter, you know, the basics. Only thing we're going to add different with this is this baby right here. Boom. Jim Beam. All right. Stay tuned. And we're actually going to do 2 shots of the Jim Beam. So be ready.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car.
We're gonna throw some honey in there. Give it a little sweetness.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah.
As you batter it up, you smell the bourbon. This is going to be amazing.
Clouded visions, I find myself blinded by the prism of the world's light. But I can see past the blight. These are blemishes in small sights. The overall picture bigger than us. But in this world we trust materials we lust is still what? I just want to be a superstar, yeah. The flash from the bright lights and cars high. These things make
And for our toppings on this baby right here, we are just going to crack some walnuts in. And we're going to throw some syrup on there.
I thank God on my life, I resurrected myself musically so you can see that I arrived. I just want to be a superstar.
We're going to mix this baby up.
I just want to drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just want to be a superstar.
Alright, and boom, we have our top.
I just want to drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain won't take the pain away. It's not my ego that helped me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for him. Cause I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted. See, I put the words to the beat. It's just that simple. The soundtrack of my life is me. I let you hear the important shit. I had a rough path, my tears unsupported this. It's not a rough draft, one shot, one chance. But everybody want the finer things and I just want to be a superstar. See, I just want to drop the top off. And I just want to ball real hard. But it won't mean shit when I'm gone, but I just want to be a superstar.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished product. And as you can see, it looks amazing. We have our bourbon waffles. We have some maple walnuts. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. Alright folks, like I always say, if you like what I'm doing and you are enjoying this journey that I take on the Kool Zone, please do push that button, subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. These are my bourbon waffles, a special Father's Day waffles. And let me tell you, dads, this is going to be the best. Alrighty, Kool Zone out. Happy Father's Day.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Let me show you how I make